Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've just updated to iOS 26 and want to make your app icons look clean and clear on your home screen, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to get that new translucent look for your iPhone. First, long press on an empty spot on your home screen until all your icons start to jiggle. At the top left corner, you'll see an edit option, tap on it. From the pop-up menu, choose Customize. Now a style panel will appear at the bottom of your screen. Among the options, you'll see one called Clear. Tap on it to apply the transparent effect. Next, choose between light, dark, or auto mode depending on what matches your wallpaper or personal style. If your icons or labels look a bit hard to read, tap the sun icon in the Customize panel. This lets you dim or adjust your wallpaper brightness, helping make everything more visible. For even more control, you can open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Display and Text Size. Here you can turn on Reduce Transparency or increase contrast to make your icons stand out better, especially if the clear mode looks too faint. If you ever want to go back to normal icons, it's simple. Just long press the home screen again, tap Edit, choose Customize and select Default or any other style you prefer. The customization applies to both icons and widgets, so your entire home screen will match the look you choose. And that's it. This simple change gives your iPhone a clean, modern, glass-like appearance that really stands out. Just keep in mind that some wallpapers might not blend well with clear mode, so experiment a bit until you find the perfect setup. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.